Boom, we're in it. Hey everyone, my name is Andrew and I'm the owner of Alchemic Power here in Vancouver, BC, Canada. I've been working as an electrician for a number of years and I wanted to start this channel for a pretty simple reason. I want to share what I learned along the way. On this channel, I'll be posting videos about real electrical work, things like service calls, lighting installs, troubleshooting, and some of the projects we're working on around the city. But I also want to go a bit deeper than that. If you're a homeowner, I'll be sharing tips to help you understand electrical in your house, what things should cost, and how to avoid common problems. If you're an apprentice or someone thinking about getting into the trade, I'll also be sharing advice about becoming an electrician, learning the trade, and even starting your own company someday. I'll also talk about the business side of running an electrical company, pricing service calls, quoting jobs, dealing with contractors, and everything else that comes with running a small business. We're small, we're looking to grow. So please feel free to reach out and apply. We're actively hiring people. My goal for this channel is simple. Be helpful, share knowledge, and show how we do things at Alchemic Power. So if that sounds interesting to you, like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell so you know when a new video is released. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.